tips for incorporating yoga into your daily routine. Today, we're excited to share some wonderful tips for incorporating yoga into your daily routine. Yoga is not just a practice, it's a way of life. By following these simple tips, you can make yoga a regular part of your day and experience its numerous benefits. 1. Set a consistent time. The first tip is to set a consistent time for your daily yoga practice. Whether it's in the morning, during your lunch break, or before bedtime, having a regular time slot makes it easier to stick to your routine. 2. Start with short sessions. For beginners, starting with short yoga sessions is key. Don't overwhelm yourself with long practices. Begin with 10 to 15 minutes and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. 3. Create a dedicated space. Create a dedicated space for your yoga practice. It doesn't need to be a large area. A corner of your room will do. Having a designated spot will mentally prepare you for your practice and make it feel more special. 4. Use yoga apps or videos. If you're unsure of where to start, consider using yoga apps or online videos. There are plenty of resources available that cater to various skill levels and preferences. Find a teacher or style that resonates with you. 5. Incorporate yoga into daily activities. Yoga doesn't have to be confined to the mat. You can incorporate it into your daily activities. Practice mindful breathing while commuting, do some gentle stretches at your desk, or try standing balances while brushing your teeth. 6. Set realistic goals. Set realistic goals for your yoga practice. Avoid comparing yourself to others or pushing yourself too hard. Remember, yoga is a personal journey, and progress comes with time and patience. 7. Make it a social activity. Invite a friend or family member to join you in your yoga practice. Practicing together can make it more enjoyable and keep you both motivated. 8. Be gentle with yourself. Some days, you might feel more tired or less motivated to practice. Be gentle with yourself and listen to your body. A short and gentle practice is better than no practice at all. 9. Try different styles. Don't be afraid to explore different yoga styles. From Hatha to Vinyas, Kundalini to Yin, each style offers unique benefits. Trying different styles can keep your practice fresh and exciting. 10. End with Savasana. Finally, always end your yoga practice with Savasana, or the final relaxation pose. Take a few minutes to lie down, close your eyes, and let go of any tension. This is a moment of tranquility and gratitude for your practice. Conclusion. And there you have it, tips for incorporating yoga into your daily routine. Remember, yoga is not just about the physical postures, it's about finding inner peace and balance. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more yoga and wellness content. Thank you for joining us.